have a new topic which is division. From the little classes you are learning that we use the division to divide the things among the pupils or among the things. Now we are just going to learn that how we can divide anything with a 2-digit number. Fine. Let's suppose a question is given over there 5 8 5 5 and we have to divide it with the 35. Fine. Means in this the first one is the dividend, and this is called the divisor. A number which is dividing over there, that is called the dividend, and from which it number is dividing, that is called the divisor. जो नंबर हमें डिवाइड करना होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? हमारा डिविडेंड कहलाता है, और जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करना होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? हमारा डिवाइजर. Now the first step is that you need to call rough column over there for the multiplication, because 35 is a larger number. You cannot memorize the table of 35, so you need to multiply the 35 with the different numbers to get the answer. So simply I am just making a rough column over here. Fine. Now the first step is that you need to make a head in which you need to write the divisor outside of that head and the dividend inside of the head. So I am writing 35 outside and 5 8 5 5 inside the head. Okay. Now the first step is that you need to check whether the first number is smaller than the divisor or not. जो फर्स्ट नंबर है डिविडेंड का वो डिवाइजर से छोटा है या बड़ा है? सो 5 इज़ द स्मॉल. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू टेक द सेकंड नंबर इज एज वेल. तो सेकंड नंबर को भी क्या कर लेंगे हम? साथ इसके इंक्लूड कर लेंगे. सो व्हाट वी गेट देन? वी गेट द 58. नाउ आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 35 अंटिल आई गेट 58 और लेस देन 58. या तो मुझे एग्जैक्ट 58 मिल जाए या फिर 58 से छोटा मिल जाए. सो आई एम जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग 35 with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So when I am multiplying 35 with 2, it is getting 70. 70 is less than 58 or greater than? 70 is greater than. So I cannot use 70 over there. So what I have to do? I have to multiply 35 with 1. So what I will get? 35 ones are 35. Obviously whenever we multiply any number with 1, so we will get the same answer. So 35 ones are 35. Now you need to subtract it. What do you have to do? Subtraction. 8 minus 5, how much will be remaining? 3. 5 minus 3, how much will be remaining? 2. 23 is there. Now 23 is smaller than 35. 23 जो है वो हमारे पास 35 से क्या है? छोटा है. So what you need to do? You need to bring this 5 over here. What it becomes? 200 and what is the number over there? 235. Now we have to multiply the number 35 until we get the exact 235 or a number near to it. या तो हमें एग्जैक्ट 235 मिल जाए या फिर ऐसा नंबर मिले जो कि इससे करीब हो. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग 35 with 7. Fine. So 5 7s are 35 and 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 3 24. So what number I am getting over there? 245. So this number 245 is greater than this 235. So we cannot use this. यानी हम 35 को जब हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें कौन सा नंबर मिल रहा है? 245. we cannot use 245 over here because 235 is a small number. 235 क्या है? Small number. So I need to multiply the 35 with a smaller number. अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 35 को उससे 7 से छोटे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So I am just using the 35, multiplying 35 with the 6. 35 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ मैं अब? 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. 6 5 जा 30, fine, and 3 6 जा, what will be? 3 6 जा 18, 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20 and 21, 21. So what is coming over there? 210. So I will use 210 over here. 35 6 जा 210. Now I just need to subtract. अब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Simply subtract करना पड़ेगा. 5 minus 0, 5 will be remaining. 3 minus 1, 2 will be remaining, and 2 minus 2, 0 will be remaining. Now what is the number we are having over here? 25. Now I will have to bring this 5 over here. 255. Now I have to multiply 35 with a different number to get the 255. Now as I have multiplied the 35 with the 7, I am getting the answer 245. जब मैं 35 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास नंबर क्या आ रहा है? 245, विच इज़ ग्रेटर लेस देन 255. ये क्या है? छोटा है, बट एग्जैक्ट भी नहीं है. So I am, for the just checking, I am multiplying 35 with the 8. जब मैं 35 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, so what the answer is coming? 8 5 are 40, 3 8 are 24, 24 plus 4 28. 280 is the answer is coming. That's mean if I am multiplying 35 with the 7, 245 is coming, and when I am multiplying with the 38, it is coming 280. So I cannot use 280 over here because it is a greater number. हम बड़ा नंबर तो यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, तो हमारे पास छोटा नंबर क्या है? 245. So 7 are 245. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 4, 1 will be remaining. 2 minus 2, 0 will be remaining. Now I have to check either any number is there which we can bring over here. यहाँ पे कोई और नंबर बचा है जिसको हम नीचे ब्रिंग कर सकते हैं? No. And this number is less than 35, or you can say this number is less than divisor. ये नंबर क्या है? डिवाइजर से छोटा है. So this number will becomes a remainder. Fine. And this number, the number which we have multiply over there, that is called the quotient. Hope so this thing is clear to you. Fine. How we can divide anything with a 2-digit number. Now we are moving forward to find out that how we can divide any number with a 3-digit number. Now we have a question. 5 9 3 6 8 4, and I have to divide it with the 650. Fine. I am having a number 650 over here, and here I am having a number 593,684, and I have to divide it with the 650. This first number is our dividend, and this second number is called our divisor. This second one is called our divisor. As our first step is that we need to make a hat over there. 5 9 3 6 8 4. as we know, and the divisor I have to write outside 650. A number is there. First of all, 5 is there, 9 and 3. These all three numbers are small. If I am just combining 3 digits together, in the 2-digit number I am choosing the first 2 digit of the dividend first, but now I am having a 3-digit number over here. I am choosing the 3 digit from the डिविडेंड एज वेल. अब मैंने क्या किया, पहले 3 डिजिट नंबर्स को चूज़ किया क्योंकि हमारे पास 3 डिजिट नंबर है. नाउ द 593, इट इज़ स्मॉलर देन द 650 और ग्रेटर देन, इट इज़ greater than the 600 and smaller than the 650. So what I have to do, I have to take the 6 as well. जब मैंने देखा कि 593 650 से छोटा है तो मैंने क्या किया, 6 को भी इंक्लूड कर लिया. अब हमारे पास क्या नंबर बन गया, 5936. मीन्स आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 650 until I get exact 5936 और द नंबर क्लोज टू दिस नंबर. फाइन, या तो एग्जैक्ट यही नंबर हमारे पास आए या फिर इससे छोटा नंबर हमारे पास आए. सो आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर 5900 and sorry, what I have to do, I have to multiply 650. So I am multiplying 650 with 5 first. It's up to you with which number you are multiplying. I am using 5 over there. Fine, you can use randomly as well or you can go one by one from the numbers as well. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 2 as a carry and 5 will come over here. Now 5 6 are what will become 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, what will it will become 3250. 3250 is too much smaller than 5936. So I am multiplying now 650 with 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40. So 4 as a carry and 0 over here. Now 6 8s are, what is 6 8s are? 8 5s are 40 and 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. 52. So what number I am getting? 5200. Fine, but it is still smaller than 5936. So I am just multiplying 650 with 9. So 9 zeros are 0. 9 fives are 45. 4 as a carry and 5 over here. And 9 6 are what will be the answer? 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 4, 55, 56, 57 and 58. 58. So what is the answer is coming over there? 5850. So I need to use 5850 over here because it is near to 5936. ये हमारे पास क्या है, करीब है. बिकॉज इफ आई एम जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग 650 विद द 10, सो व्हाट विल कम 6500 विच विल बी द ग्रेटर देन दिस वन. सही है. अगर मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ उसको 10 से, बिकॉज 9 के बाद कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 10 से. एंड व्हेन आई एम जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग 650 विद द 10 आई एम गेटिंग 6500. जब मैं 650 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ क्या मुझे मिल रहा है, 6500, which is greater than this. So I am just multiplying it with the 9. 9s are 5850. Now I just simply minus it. 6 minus 0, what will be the answer? 6. 3 minus 5, I cannot subtract, so I will just take the borrow from the neighboring one. 9 will become 8 and it will give 1 to the 3. So 13 minus 5, so 8 will be, I am getting 5850. Now I will just simply minus it. 6 minus 0, 6 will be remaining. 3 minus 5, I cannot minus it, so I am taking the borrow from there. So 9 will become 8 and it will become 13. 13 minus 5, how many will be remaining? 8 will be remaining. Now 8 minus 8, 0 and 5 minus 5 again 0. Now I need to bring the 8 down over there. So what we have the number over there, 8,868. If I will multiply 650 with the 2, so what will come? 650 multiplied by 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, and 2 six are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1300 is coming. So it is greater than 8,868. So what I will just do, I will use 650. I will multiply 650 with 1. So 650 ones are 650 minus 8 minus 0. How much will be remaining? 8. 6 minus 5, 1 will be remaining. 8 minus 6, 2 will be remaining. So what is the number? 218. Now I will just simply bring the 4 over there. 2184. As I have multiplied 650 with the 5, so what is coming over there? 3250. Now I am just multiplying 650 with the 3. 650 multiply by 3. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, and 3 six are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So what is coming? 1950. If I multiply 650 with a 4, so what is 1950 is equals to this 2184? No, and it is nearest, but it is a nearest one. But I will check first that if I multiply with the 4, so what answer is coming? 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, and 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. 26,000 is coming, which is greater than 2184. So what I will use? I will use 3s are 6,650 multiplied by 3. It is equals to 1950. After subtracting it, 4 minus 0, how much will be remaining? 4. 8 minus 5, how much will be remaining? 3. I cannot subtract 9 from 1, so I will take the borrow. So how much it will become? 11. 11 minus 9, how much will be remaining? 2, and it will become 1. 1 minus 1, how much will be remaining? 0. So what is the number over there? 234. Now let's see over there. This number is smaller than 650. Fine. ये वाला नंबर जो है वो इससे क्या है? छोटा है. And we are not having any number over here as well. So what we have to do? That's mean this number is our remainder. This number is our remainder, and this one number is our quotient. Fine. Hope so all the things are clear to you. I am giving you the assignment from the book as well. Now you need to do the work from the book as well. So meet you the next week. Allah Hafiz.